Okay, what we're doing now, we're working on Tai Chi push hands, or known as sticky hands, and this is a basic position. Okay, we guide, one hand checks the elbow, rolls, and flows back, rolls back. He pushes from the elbow. Basic pattern, pushing, rolling. Our basic pattern, to show you how this actually works, we come here and press, and add the push. Okay. All right, next, we show you the next position. Okay, we start with the basic rolling. Position 2. And what we're going to do, we're going to add some sophistications. We're going to counter. As Melvin pushes, I'm going to circle, bringing my left hand up, contact with both hands around, controlling the elbow, and then coming back here and pushing him off balance. What Melvin's going to do is that he's going to bring his hand around there, and he's going to push mine. And we'll keep repeating this slowly. Then this hand goes around, and he pushes mine. Roll back. Then his hand goes around, and then we push. That's the second position. Okay, the third position, we start out again, and notice we're in what is known as the match stance. Right here, this is the matching stance. Okay, we're pushing. We're going on basic pattern, and each position allows us to counter and change our routine. This is our basic pattern. Okay, this time, we're going to go back to the second position. I'm going around, like this. Melvin goes around, and he comes out one more time, then I go underneath. Okay, underneath here. Circle one around while pressing with this elbow, circling it, bring it into its position, and then I push him off balance. One more time. Okay, this will be our third. Again, we're working from the second position. One, around, he counters around. I counter underneath, circle one out, but still pressing with this right elbow here, maintaining that forward energy, and then uprooting him off balance. Okay. Next position, we go with our basics again. Everything comes back to the basic position. Now this time, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to, instead of going around, I'm going to cross over here, circling this hand around, and then pushing him off balance. Again, rolling, crossing, and pushing. Okay, one more time. Rolling, crossing, circling, sticking, and then pushing. Okay. Now, pushing again. This time, instead of going underneath, I'm going to come on top here, opening, bringing it back to him, getting him off balance, as you can see, pressing, and then pushing. Again, basic rolling position, breaking here, bringing it back to him, following his hand back, here, pressing, and then pushing. Okay, now we go to another one. This position right here. And this time I cross here, trapping the hands, both hands, pressing, and then pushing. Again, basic rolling position here in a match stance, my right leg forward. Okay, then as he pushes into me, I circle, pressing a little bit with my elbow, guiding the hand here, trapping, crossing him, pressing first, and then adding the jam. Boom. Like so. Okay. Now, we add some sophistication to that, pushing again, comes in here, and I'm going to raise both hands up, opening, pressing, and adding jig. I can roll my hands in like this, and I can press solar plexus area here. Watch again. Rolling, rolling and following. Here, I open up straight in the middle, pressing, bringing it back here, rotate the hands in like so, and press with the fingertips, and add the force. Boom. That way. Okay. Our basic drill with two hands for pushing would be here as Milton push, elbows come up, pressing, and as I'm about to push, he brings his elbows together and repeat the process. But if we get in the match stance, roll back, pressing, then he's bringing his hands to push, roll, open, press, and he's going into his elbow, fall back, press down, back to me, then he goes to push, roll, open, push, 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 and push. Okay. Now we go from dealing with the pushing hands and dealing with the aspect of pulling, changing my position, get it out in the same stance. My hand moves here, dealing with pulling. I grab here, I pull across like this, check this position, and then I add my shoulder stroke. Okay, let's watch that again. Okay, we're pushing. We're pushing. This hand that's on top sneaks in right here. I pull him across out of position, just enough, and add the shoulder stroke. Okay, now we show you another way of using the shoulder stroke. Okay, pushing. Pushing. This time, I'm coming in here. I roll this hand here. Pull them into me slightly here. Then I add the shoulder stroke in a cross position. Okay, watch again. Pushing. Pushing. This hand rolls here. Adding the shoulder stroke. And pushing out again. Now this maneuver that I did here would also be another push hand method. Okay? This belongs to the push hand category. Before I use this hand, and I use this hand, and this hand, and this hand to counter. This time, I'm going to use the same hand he's pushing, as you can see right here. Lifting, pressing, and back in. Watch it again. Time. That way. Okay, now we do another shoulder stroke. Pushing. Pushing. I roll here. Okay, and that was, I think that was repeated before. Okay, this time we're going to work with this hand, this side, getting on the inside. Pushing. And shoulder stroke, pushing, now circle down, open, shoulder stroke. Again, pushing, pushing, I split down and I open this hand up like so, and I add my shoulder strokes in the inside position of his chest. Okay, now I'm going to deal with a crossing position where unmatched stance. So we roll, same leg, here, 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 okay? What I'm going to do here, I'm going to come in like so, step in right here, and then I'm going to turn the camera this way, and we're going to push across that way. Okay, watch again. And we can also add the press in that unmatched position. One more time. We can add a shoulder stroke, or we can add a press in an unmatched position. Now we work with the leg pickup. Pressing and lifting. Let's try that again, slowly. Here. Here. Okay. All right. So we can get everything in camera. Here. Pressing, sliding down, picking up the leg, and pushing. You show it all at once. Okay. Now, the other pull, push. Okay, we're going to pull across this time here. I'm going to pull here, here, and then bump. Again, pushing, pushing. The hand slips in, it pulls here, here, and then bump position, right from there. Okay, that concludes our basic push hand, two-hand push hand drill. Our introduction, this is Melvin Thompson. He's a good student here. He has assisted me in executing these techniques. Thank you. There you go. From the push hand position, I can set up all other Tai Chi techniques. Okay? This technique I'm setting up right now is called grasping sparrow's tail, coming here, pressing up with my palm. Next, this technique right here is called a single whip. Circle out, round, and then striking. What's the other technique we have?
Fairly easy shove.
Fairly easy shove. When I'm here, I can come up here, and then I can come straight into hit this way, or I can come straight into attack as well. I can come around, circle. I come here. This is our pressing technique. That's in our form. Okay, what's the other one? Shearing the horse's mane. From here, I can circle here, here, into shearing the horse's mane. I can also work pull down, changing, circling, and pulling down. I can also work here, pushing. Right. I can also work